If you have someone in your team who always needs to know exactly what is expected of them, who pushes for accurate timelines and deadlines, plans to plan, and their desk is immaculate, well, there's a good chance they have the discipline talent. They love structure. Give them timelines, deadlines, processes, and routines, and they will be energized. They instinctively impose order on their world and work best when they are in an environment that allows them to be precise, detailed, and accurate. In a team, I've seen them provide both a predictability and stability that helps to get the work done in time with a high-quality approach. They often see mistakes and inconsistencies that others may miss, making them a valuable contributor when addressing problems or working through a complex task. Limit surprises. Just know that they appreciate schedules, deadlines, and regular meetings. And when it comes to surprises, not so much. Change the direction in a project once and they'll be frustrated, but push on. Do it constantly and you risk them becoming disengaged. If you have to change direction on a timeline, deadline, or goal, just try to provide them with as much advance notice as you possibly can. Give them long-term projects. Their ability to stay focused over extended periods is beneficial to any long-term projects you may have. They have an instinctive need to prioritize tasks, making sure that they stay on track and the work gets done. For them, procrastination isn't an option. Utilize their precision. When you have a project or a task that requires exactness, lean on them to provide the precision, detail, or structure that you need. They are quite brilliant at re-engineering processes and developing routines that help others work more efficiently. Let them provide structure. Give them the opportunity to bring structure to messy or chaotic situations. They will never be happy in an environment without structure and will be energized to have the chance to restore predictability and order. Explain the metrics for success. They will really thrive when there's clear defined metrics for success. Talk to them about the why, what, and how, and they will move from purpose to action by providing structure. This also helps them to feel like they have a voice and a chance to own the process. They are motivated when they feel in control of their own success. People with the discipline talent are brilliant at creating structure, efficiencies, and productivity, but you will need to be aware of when they are using their talent less than effectively. With their focus on structure and process, they can become really rigid, sometimes missing opportunities that are a natural part of the interruptions of the day. They may also dismiss ideas too quickly when they are not part of the original plan or project. You may also find them coming across as too controlling and getting impatient when mistakes are made or frustrated when a plan is not followed to their highest standards. Focus on helping them accept that not everything that happens is predictable. Challenge them to find a way to adjust their routine when the unexpected happens and to look for the opportunities. Remind them to balance their focus on both the process and the outcome. Recommend that they spend their time explaining why the disciplined approach is so important to them and how they work. This will help to change the perception that they are micromanaging or controlling. Having a disciplined talent on your team means you have someone who will bring a high level of organization, order, and stability to the projects and groups they work with. Provide them structure, respect their need for order, and they will bring detail, precision, meet deadlines, and promote productivity.